Oh, right. That looks really big. I don't think I can do it.
Oh, you've got to do it. You don't have a choice.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Birmingham did it, and they made a YouTube video, and they got 16,000 views throwing the freshers down it. So unless you want to walk back to London, you're going to have to do it.
Well, shit, I guess I'll make choice.
Inside every snail shell is a tiny disco ball. Disco isn't dead, instead it turns out that it just got small. They've got the boogie oogie all up in their buggy bodies. These super freaks of nature love to seek out funky hobbies. Disco snails, they're off to San Francisco where the disco's off the rails. They meet and dance the disco in disgusting garbage pails. The after parties in your garden where they'll eat your kale and dance to disco cause they're disco snails.
Disco snails, they're leaving silver trails. Current position's third ignition. They're on the roof, they found the groove. The simple answer is they're dancers.
I promise.
There's traffic on the freeway, for the snails are on the loose. Watch your step, they're only 1 inch tall atop their platform shoes. They've got the smoothest groovy moves up in their buggy bodies. This downright funkadelic bunch have come to start the party. Disco snails, they're off to San Francisco where the disco's off the rails. They meet and dance the disco in disgusting garbage pails. The after parties in your garden where they'll eat your kale and dance to disco cause they're disco snails.
Disco snails, they're leaving silver trails. They're in the hate, filled with love. It's not smooth, they found the groove. The simple answer is they're dancers. Disco snails, they're leaving silver trails. Their latitude is gratitude. It's not a spoof, they found the groove. The simple answer is they're dancers.
Free wheel. Nice move! Sick move, dude!
Well, it's not going forward, so I mean, look at that. Edging, technique.
Fan line and all of us. If this comes down upright, I'll be fucking The boat's better without the paddler, man.